Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix notifications not working after iOS 17 upgrade. It seems that the iOS 17 upgrade broke notifications on iPhone for some users. Users have been reporting that notifications for app alerts stopped working once they upgraded to iOS 17, causing users to miss texts, reminders or more. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The default app notification sounds have undergone a transformation as well. The iconic tritone has been substituted with rebound. It seems that iOS does not provide an option to revert to the previous ones. Within the settings menu, under the sounds, you have the ability to personalize your ringtone and text tone alert for system applications such as mail reminders and calendar alerts. However, it's important to note that these choices do not extend to notification from third-party apps in iOS 17. Sound and haptics option on iPhone. Third-party application will continue to use their own custom alerts if they have one. However, numerous popular apps such as Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat and Facebook do not incorporate custom sounds and instead use the system default. This means that the iPhone users with iOS 17 are now stuck with the rebound sound, like it or not. This may be bad news. We know that users are complaining that it is difficult to hear this new default notification alert. Now, who favored the tritone alert sound won't be able to use it because iOS 17 does not allow you to modify the default notification sound. Ensure that notifications are enabled for the apps you are having issues. You can check it by going to settings and then scroll down and then tap on notifications. And also ensure that notifications are not silent by a focus mode like do not disturb mode. You can check this by going to settings and then tap on focus. You will see an on notice if one of the focus mode is enabled. Turn it off. Go back to settings. Then tap on notifications. And then select the app that does not have notifications. Tap on it. Tap on allow notifications toggle button to turn off notifications. Ensure that at least one of the alert types, lock screen, notification center or banners is selected, and then restart your device and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings by going to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone. This will restore all of your settings to the factory defaults, but your content will stay intact and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of notification not working on iPhone after upgrading iOS 17. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.